This video covers how to find course schedules in Webadvisor without logging in. First, navigate to the Robison Community College webpage at www.robison.edu, then click on the Quick Links tab. Click on the Webadvisor tab. Then 1. Click on Prospective Students tab, and 2. Click on Search for Sections. A minimum of 2 fields must be selected. By selecting term and academic level, all scheduled courses being offered will populate. 1. From the drop-down menu, select Curriculum 2019 SU in term and Curriculum in academic level. 2. After selecting 2 fields, click Submit. Note: term will contain the academic year with either SU for summer, FA for fall, or SP for spring. 1. Section name and title meeting information. Courses are listed alphanumerically by suffix. Click on this link to view all times and prerequisites for the course. This is extremely important if the meeting information contains more at the end. 2. Click on Prev or Next to move between screens. 3. This column provides real-time course availability and max capacity. 0 means no seats available. For more information concerning how to find course schedules in Webadvisor without logging in, or if you have questions or concerns about this video, please contact Alan P. Tancati Jr., Records and Registration Student Services Specialist, Technology Enhanced Instruction Assistant Blackboard Open LMS Administrator, Catalog Manager, 910-272-3350, a tancati@robison.edu.